We help elements to look good. Okay, elements, or let me say the charts and cards, need help to look good. I select the top text, change its size to 20. It is selected. From background, transparency, 100. This is good now. Okay, the color is gray. I select date card. From background, transparency, 100. And the color. I set it as the same as the name. Open data label, set its color to gray, the same as the name. That's okay. I want to change all these sections' background color into the light sky blue. So select all cards together by pressing Ctrl from keyboard. And format, background, color, select more colors, and type the code here. This color gives the depth of a page view to the viewer. Now, one by one, I select the charts, go to background, and change the color. I want to change the page color into white. So select the page, just click on the empty place. Then go to Format, Wallpaper, and White. I make the charts a little bit smaller to have more space between each of them. And I want to make the cards a little bit bigger because I want to add image on them. Add image. For adding image here, go to Insert, Image, and double-click on the photo which you want to add. Resize and replace it. I want to add image like icon to each of these cards. The best way for this purpose is what I'm doing here. I added the image. Select both with help of Ctrl from keyboard. Right-click and group and group. I add and do the same procedure to other cards one by one. Now let's change some titles and names. Change titles and names. We can change any of these names here. In Field section, right-click on the name which you want to change. For example, I right-click on Planned Cost and select Rename. And remove Cost. Then click on any empty place. It is changed. That's it. I want to change its name to Planned Cost. So right-click on Planned in Field section and select Rename. Then type Cost besides Planned. Click on an empty place. I want to change the stacked area chart title. So select it, go to Format, and Title section. It can be Physical Person Complete and Actual Cost Person. And I set its text size into 15. I I want to bold shapes a little bit bigger here. Select shapes and stroke width is 6. I change all title sizes into 15. So select one by one and go to Format, then Title, and change the size into 15. I rename the title of Clustered Bar Chart. Selected and Title. Now change the title name into Planned and Actual Cost Percent. Update. Okay, this is a dashboard which we wanted from the beginning of this course. We have transformed actual and planned cost Excel workbooks. Now I got some information that on 1st of February for foundation, we have actual as $100. I select foundation, for example, from this chart. Then select 1st of February. As you see, it is blank. I open actual cost of Excel file. For 1st of February, I type 100. Save it and close. In Power BI, from Home tab, press on Refresh. That's here. So this is the way of updating the data. As you see, it is easy to design a dashboard in Power BI and even get updated data. Just know what you want. This is the important factor. We have created and updated the dashboard. It is publish time.